Her name was reborn on every new Sunday. The moment she got it back, she'd rise like a phoenix beside me next morning to tell me the dream she had. We were birds crossing country. We were waking up in strange places, only familiar to our faces through the eyes, on instinct alone. A common goal, we were in animal love. But we are only human. We are sure of the uncertain. There are gears behind the curtain, simple tools like the farmer's plow, the archer's bow. We were in mechanical love. Her name was reborn on every new Sunday. The moment she got it back, oh, she'd rise like a phoenix beside me next morning to tell me the